Hi, I'm Leonie Mills from the Gordon, and I'm here today with Tobin Kent at Moonah restaurant. I'm so excited to be here. What a fantastic restaurant you have here, a 12-seater, which is really interesting, Tobin. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Okay, so Moonah restaurant opened in November last year, and it's a fine dining restaurant, and we focus on using local produce, particularly from my kitchen garden in Winchelsea, and we offer a single degustation menu to our guests.
Fantastic. And what sort of produce have you got here? And you said that you have it at your own property in Winchelsea. How great.
So I grow lots of organic produce out in Winchelsea. Obviously it's all seasonal, and then we also do a lot of foraging, so we forage for different things in the Otways, wild mushrooms and stuff like that, and we also have some native succulents that grow on the property as well.
Amazing. And look, we feel very lucky to have you. You're an alumni for us at the Gordon. So you started your chefing career out there quite some time ago. How did you get into cookery in the first place?
So just outside of high school, I was really passionate about cooking, and I chose to do a class at the Gordon just to improve my knowledge. And the career just grew from there. The teachers recommended that I did an apprenticeship, so I started my apprenticeship at Bavaris in Cunningham Pier, and then the career just kind of progressed forward from there. I moved from restaurant to restaurant and kind of got a bit more experienced until I found myself here.
Fantastic, what a success story. And I found it really interesting that you're doing a 12-seater. Why did you choose to do a 12-seater?
So 12 seats was more about being able to offer a really high quality of service to the guests, as well as being able to utilise my own garden. I found that if we had more covers to cook for, then it would be a bit more difficult to source all the ingredients from my property. So it was a choice over quality over quantity.
Really personalised service. I love it. I think it's fantastic.
That's right. And that way we get to share our story to each table, which is a really important element of the dining experience.
Yeah, that's lovely. And over the years, what's kept you in cookery? What's kept you excited about the industry?
Probably the great thing about cookery is that it's a constant learning progress. So every person that you meet, they teach you something, and you're always learning, and every day in the kitchen is a little bit different. There's always exciting happening, and you get to do what you're really passionate about every single day. And it also gives you lots of opportunity to work all over the world. You can travel overseas or interstate, and you can work with some of the great chefs around the world.
Yeah, fantastic. Excellent. And if you were to talk to a young person, perhaps, or somebody who was interested in the field, what would you tell them?
I would tell them to obviously give it a crack, and definitely go out there and find a chef or a restaurant that you really love, and make sure that you stick with them and you listen to them, and just work really hard, and you will get lots of great rewards out of it.
Fantastic.
We'll talk that out and just say thank you, Tobin. It's been a pleasure. This is Leonie Mills and Tobin Mills saying farewell from Moonah. Something along those lines. Just to finish it off.
Okay. Well, thanks, Tobin. It's been great to catch up with you today. A real privilege actually to come and see this amazing view, and we hope everybody comes along. I hear that it is booked out for quite some time, which you must be really pleased about.
Yeah, we've had a great response, particularly from the local people. So it's a really exciting adventure for everybody. Thanks for coming.
Thanks. Excellent.